Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Tired of clunky workarounds or incomplete copies when duplicating Jira tickets? We all know the frustration of inefficient processes, especially when deadlines loom. This video reveals the *1 definitive method to flawlessly duplicate any Jira ticket, ensuring all details are perfectly preserved. Say goodbye to manual re-entry and hello to true efficiency in 2025 and beyond. Many teams still rely on manual copying or Jira's default clone option, only to find vital information missing. Attachments, subtasks, and linked issues frequently get left behind, causing frustrating follow-ups and delays. This piecemeal approach wastes valuable time, introduces errors, and prevents your team from operating at its peak potential. It is time for a more robust, foolproof solution. The definitive solution we're focusing on is Jira's robust deep clone or advanced clone feature, a powerful tool often overlooked. This sophisticated functionality ensures that every single attribute from custom fields to comments, subtasks, and attachments is perfectly replicated. It eliminates the headaches of missing data and provides a truly complete, one-to-one duplication experience, streamlining your workflow significantly. Implementing this method is incredibly straightforward and takes just a few clicks. First, open the Jira ticket you wish to duplicate, then find the More Actions menu, usually represented by 3 dots. From there, simply select Deep Clone or Advanced Clone. Finally, review the options to ensure all desired elements are included and hit Create to instantly generate your perfect duplicate. By adopting this single, robust method, you will dramatically boost your team's productivity and maintain impeccable data integrity. No more re-entering details or tracking down missing files. Every new ticket starts exactly as it should. Empower your entire team with this efficient strategy and transform your Jira workflow, making project management truly seamless and stress-free.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.